Here we go with my next video, which is reviewing section 2.1 of our Math 230 book on statements. A statement is basically a sentence. It can be true or false, and it's the rest of chapter 2 where we actually do truth values and truth tables. Right now, we just want to join statements together. And we can join those statements together using basically 3 symbols. We've got the and, which is the conjunction. So it stands for and. It can also stand for but, as long as it's paired with a negative. Then we have the disjunction, which is or, and the tilde, which negates a statement. All right, so we're going to practice a couple of problems that have to do with using symbols and joining statements together. So these are the book problems 29 through 31, and the statements are: Mom bought apples, Mom bought bananas, Mom bought cherries. And we're going to denote them with A, B, and C. All right, so the first homework problem, problem number 29, says, Mom bought Mom bought apples or bananas. All right, so we have that or, so we're going to use the disjunction. And since the first part is Mom bought apples, we're going to put an A to represent that. The second part is bananas, so we're going to represent that with a B. And that is the whole problem. A or B, A disjunction B. All right, let's try the next one. Mom bought bananas, but not cherries. All right, so we've got that Mom bought bananas, so that's going to be our B. And here we have that word but paired with the not, cherries. So what that means is that we have C, but the not's actually going to be tilde C. And the but is conjunction, which is the and. So what I'm going to have here is B and not C. That is our answer. All right, let's try a trickier one that involves a comma. So comma, basically for these statements, they're going to break it up into a front part and a back part. So wherever you have the comma is going to split it, and if you have a pair of things in the front or a pair of things in the back, you're going to use parentheses to group them. So since I have a pair of things in the front, apples and bananas, I'm going to use parentheses to group them together since they are grouped together in front of the comma. So apples and bananas, A and B. And then I have or cherries. And I'm laughing right now because my son is in the other room watching, I think, one of the Star Wars movies. I can tell by the music. We'll see how it goes. All right. The other part of section 2.1 has to do with negation, writing them in words. As you guys are well aware, words are not my strong suit. I'm more into math and symbols. However, I'm going to give it my best shot. So anytime you want to negate all, you basically are saying that there exists something that is different. And if you have something that is different, we are going to negate it with all. So here for number 61, it says all dogs are dirty. So the negation isn't no dogs are dirty. The negation is some dogs are not dirty. Guess I didn't have to write not all in capitals, but I went for it. Okay, so that's the negation of the statement, all dogs are dirty. Okay, the negation of some people like eating worms, yuck. Up here, some are not is paired with all. If it's just some without the not, its negation is no. So some people like eating worms would be no people or no one likes eating worms. So that's the negation. No one likes eating worms. I mean, maybe it's not fair of me to say, ooh, maybe I'm missing out by not eating worms. Or maybe I have eaten worms and I just don't even know it. I don't know. I guess that we could discuss that at a later time. Good luck. I hope this is helping for section 2.1.